The best businesses to start with ChatGPT AI Business Ideas. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with AI to make money and what are the different kinds of businesses you can create with a simple AI. So let's get into it. Now, ChatGPT is a simple open AI, so it is free to use. Anyone can use this, and you simply head on over to openai.com and you can click on try on the top section of your screen. Once you do that, a registration form will pop up. You just have to verify with your phone number. And you can then use ChatGPT. Now, what are the different business opportunities that are going to help you in making money with this AI? Because, hey, everyone is using AI. You see it on Instagram. People are using animated photos of themselves. All of those photos are being generated with AI. But how can you monetize that? How can you make money off of that? Well, it's super simple if you go on to ChatGPT. So, first off, you need to understand the capabilities of this AI. So, you can create multiple different chats and you can ask or require whatever you want. So I said 10 ways to improve creativity. It gave me 10 ways. Then after that, I can said, can you make this longer? And it gave me 10 more ways. So in this way, you can kind of like ask it whatever you want and it will provide you direct answers. So let's say I asked him, can you make a logo for a fashion brand? So it told me all the style ideas, all the like guidances that would be provided for creating a logo. Then after that, I asked, could you write a SEO description for a YouTube video? And it gave me the perfect SEO optimized description. So this is the basic capability of this AI. Now, in terms of the businesses you can start, first off, you can do sales copywriting, and this is super simple. A lot of people are always looking for different ways that they can monetize their businesses and different ways they can sell more. And that is a very large concept in the current state of the world. Everyone wants to sell more. So if you're someone that is able to do sales, if you're able to sell more product using sales copywriting, you would be able to get more money yourself. So people are always looking for more lead generation, more business, like more customers, and you can generate customers with this. So let's say that you are working in a business related to creating purses. So let's say, so I just wrote something very specific. I wrote, can you write a sales copy for a electric air fryer? So this is very, very specific. You can even further describe the product that you want the sales copy for. So whatever is the product that you're looking to sell for the business, you can write whatever you want. And in this way, this generates its own sales copy. And this is simply perfect. So what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this, send it to your client, and they will be super, super happy. If you want to make any changes, you can. If there are certain inaccuracies in the product, certain things that the product might not do, but the AI assumed that it does, you can remove those. Usually you can provide a very descriptive elaboration of the type of product that there is. So sales copywriting is super simple and you can do it with any kind of product. I did it for an air fryer. So let's say I want to go with a more niche category. So let's say baby toys. So this is a sales copy for teething baby toys. So it's writing the sales copy because that is, even though that is a very specific use case, it's still able to generate the proper amount of information. Now, next up, we have, after sales copywriting, we have using ChatGPT's AI and selling it on your own website. Now, this is a open AI, so this is open use software. And if you're able to monetize a certain feature, because this AI is very broad, and if you target a certain niche feature, something that you think a lot of consumers, a lot of people are looking to do with this AI, you can use this open source software and use that software and input it into your own website and sell it for that specific use case. So this is kind of like rebranding the ChatGPT AI and then just selling it on your own website. Let's say there are a bunch of different websites that are already doing this, and I do think that it's going to be one of the most profitable ways to make money off of these AIs. You can be like Quantum AI, and in that website, you can just market it directly into understanding quantum physics or solve all of your quantum physics questions on this website. So this website would target a specific use case for the ChatGPT AI. Now, next up, you also have blog post plus indexing. Now, I can write whatever kind of blog I want on ChatGPT. So I can just ask for a blog and it will write the entire blog for me. And I can use a ChatGPT, blog, and I can write 10, 15 blogs in one day. What this will enable me to do is that I will enter all of these blogs on the same day on Google onto my website, and I will index these. And what Google will do is that Google will see, it will be like, hey, this website created 50 new articles in one day. This must be a popular website. And in this way, you can get your website, you can get your platform to rank higher on Google. And in that way, you can sell more products, you can make more money and get more viewership on your website. And the more viewership you get, the more AdSense you generate, the more ads you can sell, and the more sponsorships you will receive. Next up, you also have thumbnails. So for thumbnails, you can't specifically use ChatGPT, but you can also use other AIs such as Lensa, or you can even use, if you take a look at a bunch of these newer fashion brands, they're looking for creative ideas. So we can search for those kinds of logos or those kinds of, creative takes on pre-existing items and use those for logo generation as well. Now, next up, we also have lead generation. So this AI is super popular, and I will show you guys exactly how. So I said, give me a list of emails of the top 5 marketing executives. So it's just telling me that I'm not able to provide you with a list of specific emails for a specific individual. It is not appropriate to share personal information. Now, this is their current policy. Previously, this has been working. So you can ask a little bit of a indirect question from the AI. So you can see currently it has disabled this feature. I'm pretty sure this feature has been used a couple of times. And now it's giving me a bit more of an indirect answer to find those emails. But previously this was working, currently it is not. So depending on the privacy policy and the types of searches people are doing, it might be updated in the future as well. I will let you guys know if this feature does come back. Now, after that, you also have newsletter generation that you can do with ChatGPT. So you can create any kind of newsletter where you can include new information. You can just provide the basic new updates in your website, in your business, in whatever it might be, and you can create the newsletter. And you can do all of this. Plus, you can also provide all of these services on Fiverr. So for Fiverr, you can be like, hey, I provide SEO optimized descriptions. You can sell SEO optimized blogs. You can sell articles. You can do university or college assignments using this AI. And it's super simple and easy to do. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.